In this guide, I'll show you how to delete or uninstall games on your PS4. So from the home screen, scroll up and scroll over, and we're going to go to Settings. From Settings, you want to scroll down and look for Storage and select it, and then select System Storage. Now once you're here, you'll be able to see how much free space you have on your console storage, as well as the applications, which is going to include your games. So once you're on this page, press the Options button on your controller and select Delete, and then select any game or application you want to get rid of. And then once you've done so, scroll over and select Delete in the bottom right corner. So when you select Delete, it's going to ask if you want to delete this application, and you just want to select OK. And then just wait a few seconds and the game or application will be deleted. Now alternatively, if you're just looking to delete one game, you can highlight it on the home screen and press the Options button on your controller and scroll down. And you'll see the option to delete the game right here, and you just want to select OK to delete the game. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.